Welcome. If you want to set up screen lock in your Wiko Harry, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down, find security, click on screen lock. Currently we set up swipe, so we can change it for the pattern. So click, draw your pattern, tap continue, draw it one more time and click confirm. Right now we can adjust notifications on the lock screen, but we are going to skip this one. So click done. And after that, when we are going to lock our device and tap power button one more time to turn it on, we have to input our new lock method. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.